Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Mayam ngasigi video asida su fashion hacks crab pudun lakchari 5-minute crabs adagi 1 2 3 go haina channel lebasing do madudagi video creating jaraga ngasidi fashion hacks kra try tauze ado mayam video se loi following don lebiyo to tadi mayam let's go into the video. Masigi hacks da nipi macha amana tight skirt ama do mathakta chingkatlaga phurit ki type da litone buka ado aigi skirt ama leye aduduna hoje use toraga yeminasi
I can't forget it. Now I know what I've got to do is find my way back to you. Hey, why did it take you so long? Hey, while I was dancing on my own. Hey, and now my prayers been answered in my darkest time. 'Cause now I found you.
Masigi hexadana t-shirt amalit ani t-shirt se mai jo hore na hare ado ai ho da use to ni aduga sizna pull gada ba ko waist area da pull laga rubber band amana use to raga pull laga ni mutungda headband scarf or raga zu yai mana ki raga design se mo ne ko ma di ho du su men boy na da let's try this.
Waiting on the day you would come back to me, hoping that I didn't burn a bridge I couldn't see. And now that you're by my side again, I'll never leave you behind. Lifeless days and sleepless nights, so tired of it. I can't get you off my mind, can't forget it. Now I know
we've lost track of time, don't know how to feel. Sorry, I'm lost in your eyes. Are you even real? But don't you worry, I'm not looking for the one. No, I just wanna have some fun. So let's get drunk tonight.
We spent our days on the coast of something beautiful. Got pulled into the tide of something real. But somehow I lost you on the way. I assumed you left me behind.
Mathangi hexina zikinu pi masase man yung sengsit seng bada ware na hai do suddenly man ningzang he hoje maje party mein lai ha ba ko ado hoje party se kadam ne do my dress se seninga lai tre do na ma le t-shirt se ona na lit laga athak makha dagi hupchat laga design ama sembane aduna let's try this.
Hey, while I was dancing on my own. Hey, and now my prayers been answered in my darkest time. 'Cause now I found you.
So this is all about today's video. Mayam ngasi video se nungai biragadi like to biramo, comment to have the comment ta biramo. Aduga mayam ngasi je ai je matam kaya phangdaba na maram waraga explanation do kya to jagi try to mayam na karamba hack na khoidagi pambi bage have the comment ta biramo. Aduga video se loi following bigida ma thank you very much. Mathangi video thangra samya. Bye bye, take care. Hey guys, welcome to Hey guys, welcome back to another ano tong dito kay ginoy na. Nako ko. Mukha busing de ko. Yatre.